This is the second problem from Objective 2. Which algebraic expression is equivalent to the phrase 5 less than the sum of x and y? Okay, we've got some vocabulary, sum, and then we have this less than. What I'd like to do is just go through each one of our choices and write our own description. So on this first one, we have the sum of x and y, because sum means add. Then we have subtracted 5. So the sum of x and y minus 5. Whoops. That would be one way to write this one. Let's do the next one. This looks like we're subtracting x and y, so that would be the difference of x and y. And then we're adding 5, so I'll say plus 5. Choice C, we're doing 5 minus the sum of x and y. And on D, looks like we're doing 5 minus x, then we're adding 5. So, or adding y. 5 minus x plus y. Okay, none of ours exactly match what we're trying to find, 5 less than the sum of x and y. But I do know we have the sum of x and y, and some of these do not have that. So this B is out. That definitely is not the sum of x and y. This one is really not, because this is a negative x. And so that I'm going to eliminate that one. So now we're narrowed it down to 2. We need one more wrong answer. Could it be C or A? 5 less than the sum of x and y. Now I know that many of you are going to pick C, and you are wrong. Whenever you see 5 less than or a number less than, that means we're going to take 5 away from something. Here we're taking something away from 5. So here we are taking 5 away from something. We're taking 5 away from the sum of x and y. So A is our answer, but many of you are going to try to choose C. Be careful with this. If it said 5 more than something, it wouldn't matter which order we did it, because 5 plus x plus y is the same as x plus y plus 5. Our commutative property tells us that. But when we're doing subtraction, it doesn't work that way. 5 minus something is not the same as something minus 5. So be careful here. Another thing that we want to note, if they had one 2-letter word in here, it would completely change it. If the word is was in here, then we'd be talking about 5 is less than. That would be our less than symbol, the sum of x and y. And the only difference between this and this up here is a little word is. So be careful.